My, oh my. Calling leaders in level one, calling leaders in level two, calling leaders in level three, leaders in level four. Hey, calling managers, management in level one, level two, level three, level four. So where do you stack up, folks? Let's find out. Oh, this is Gary Gunn, Auto Shop Showcase. Leaders, one, two, three, four. Managers, one, two, three, four. Pay attention, folks. You'll love this video. It is a simple question. Are you a level one leader, a level two leader, a level three leader, a level four leader? Here's a quick test. Level one leaders are working in the business every day, writing up customers, fixing cars, blah, 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 blah. Level two leaders are managing, creating, and managing using a systemic approach and getting things done through people. Level three leaders are above the daily vortex, have successfully hired and trained a manager at a level two. A level four leaders are free from the business. They have a level three leader plus a level two manager coached and trained, and they are moving through life and feeling really, really good. So, what are you? One, two, three, or four? All right. Now that we have gauged a level one, two, three, four leader, now let's look at a level one, two, three, four manager. Level one management. Your staff is working in the business every day, writing up customers, fixing cars. Your staff, you're doing that. Level two management is beginning to create management using a systemic approach and getting things done through people. People run the processes and systems run the business. Number three, level three is well on the way to create management using a systemic approach and getting things done through people. Hey, that's great. Level four has a well-documented set of processes we call a how-to manual, and there's systems running the business. You're not managing people. You're managing systemically. Systemically, you're running the business with systems, not. Let's finish this up. If you want to be a level four leader, I can teach you how to do that. If you want to be a level four manager, I can teach you how to do that. Call me, 270-282-1262. I'm waiting for your call. I'll take my headset off and we'll talk. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.